Hey guys, it's Keisha Luda here, your favorite Maryland realtor. So I was just sitting here thinking about my home and how wonderful it is and how I'm so grateful that I actually was able to move forward and purchase my house just 5 months ago. I'm going on my 6th month here and it's really exciting. So for me, real estate was just pretty much getting my feet wet as far as creating a legacy for my children and for my future. I feel like real estate is the quickest way and the easiest way to start building a legacy of wealth. So I want to encourage you guys to consider it as well. And right now I'm just going to go over the steps of home ownership, and just in case you were thinking about it, you don't know about it, you want to tell somebody about it, but you don't know where to tell them, you could just tell them, or you can share this video with them, okay? Steps of ownership. So the first thing that you want to do is locate a realtor. You want to locate a realtor that is not only an expert in the real estate industry, but also has your best interest at heart, okay? And that's kind of hard to determine. You might have to do some research to find out specifically what's their workload like. Do they have assistants? Do they have a team? How long has their agency been in the area? What kind of support do they have? With their day-to-day work activities. And the reason being is because you want somebody that's going to take the most important transaction that you may make in your life. You want them to take it seriously. You want to be able to have their full undivided attention on any given time and any given day. And that's the level of service that I give my clients. So with that, you want to do some research and locate a realtor. Aside from that, you want to locate a mortgage home loan. How do you find a mortgage home loan? Well, I'm sure your bank reaches out to you on a regular basis and offers mortgage products to you. Maybe your credit union offers you mortgage products. Listen, reach out to them, find out what products they offer. Do your research. Find out about the interest rates. And if you're unsure, reach out to a real estate professional. Again, I would love to help you. I also can refer you to any of my lending partners. They would be more than glad to walk you through the process to get you into a home, okay? So once you find a mortgage home loan product, you want to go and get pre-approved, okay? Have a lender approve you for a home loan. And so, of course, you want to make sure your credit score is up, and they're going to make sure that your finances are good and everything. So go get pre-approved. And once you get that pre-approval, which is a really big deal, that's pretty much saying we're good to go. The pre-approval will let us know that, again, that you're approved to purchase, but also the amount that you're qualified, that your loan is qualified for. So we'll take that pre-approval and we'll go shopping based on the amount on the pre-approvals. Let's say the pre-approval is for $200,000. We're going to go shopping for a home that's about $200,000. So, yeah. So then once we choose a home, we're going to make an offer. We're going to submit an offer to the owner for the houses you choose. And the offer typically, they typically respond in a few days. I've had people respond like immediately, like within 10 minutes. And then I've had people respond maybe, 3 or 4 days later. So it can vary the turnaround time. So once we get a response, if they accept it, then we'll go on and start with the home inspection, and we'll send them an earnest money deposit. But if they don't accept the offer, they can choose to reject the offer, or they can submit a counter offer. And if they submit a counter offer, they may submit they may counter offer with different terms for the home transaction. Excuse me. I hope I explained that well. All right, so yeah, you're gonna choose a home, you're gonna make an offer, and I'm gonna negotiate on your behalf. One thing I like to do is to have the seller pay the closing costs for my client. So we are going to go back and forth, myself and the listing agent, to determine if we can find a common ground as far as the cost for your transaction. And my goal is to save you as much money as possible along the way. All right, so yeah, once all that's finalized, once we come to terms with the full agreement, once we get the home appraised, get it inspected, you've sent them the earnest money deposit, then we're going to schedule a closing date. And on that date, we will meet with the title company. They'll be plenty of paperwork for you to fill out at closing, and that's when you will get your keys. Okay? That's it. That's it. That was quick. I think I did that like maybe in 5 minutes. The home buying process, that easy. You can start today. I'm not sure where you are with any steps, but let's get the ball rolling. If you're looking for a passionate real estate expert who loves to help people, loves Baltimore, loves Maryland, and also loves real estate, reach out to me. Okay?